Why should every business, from startups to multinational corporations, prioritize network management and cybersecurity? In today's digital landscape, these are not just technical necessities, but foundational elements that uphold the integrity and efficiency of a business. Network management ensures that all components of a company's IT infrastructure are functioning optimally, reducing the risk of downtime that can lead to significant productivity losses. Moreover, cybersecurity is critical for protecting sensitive information against the ever-evolving threats posed by cyber attacks. A breach can result in more than just data loss. It can damage a company's reputation, erode customer trust, and attract hefty regulatory fines. Without robust network management and proactive cybersecurity measures, businesses are vulnerable to a range of disruptions that can have dire financial and reputational consequences. By prioritizing these areas, companies safeguard their operations, maintain customer trust, and ensure continuous service delivery. Understanding these concepts sets the stage for exploring real-world applications and solutions. Imagine a global company crippled by frequent network outages. What steps can they take to turn chaos into stability? In the face of mounting productivity losses and customer dissatisfaction, a large multinational corporation found itself grappling with these very issues. The underlying cause: an outdated and poorly configured network infrastructure spread across its numerous global offices. This lack of modernization and proper setup not only led to frequent downtime but also exposed the company to significant operational risks. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, the company embarked on a comprehensive network audit. This crucial first step unveiled several critical shortcomings, including inadequate redundancy measures which left the network vulnerable to failures. To address these issues, the corporation rolled out a multi-pronged network management strategy. Central to this strategy was the upgrading of hardware. By replacing old routers, switches, and other critical pieces of network equipment with modern, high-performance alternatives, they could significantly boost network reliability and speed. But hardware alone isn't the silver bullet. The company also dove deep into optimizing their network configurations. This involved reconfiguring existing setups to maximize efficiency and integrating advanced routing protocols to streamline data flow across their vast network. Redundancy is another cornerstone of robust network infrastructure. To this end, the corporation implemented failover systems and load balancing. These measures ensured that if one part of the network went down, another could seamlessly take over, thus minimizing downtime and maintaining continuity of service. Moreover, the adoption of network monitoring tools played a pivotal role. These tools allowed for real-time monitoring and management of the network, enabling the IT team to proactively identify and rectify potential issues before they escalated into major problems. This strategic overhaul not only enhanced operational efficiency, but also led to significant cost savings. By reducing downtime and optimizing resource utilization, the company not only salvaged its reputation, but also improved its bottom line, proving that a well-thought-out network optimization strategy is crucial for any enterprise aiming to thrive in today's digital landscape. What happens when a company transforms its network infrastructure from a liability into an asset? Let's delve into the outcomes of a large multinational corporation's network optimization. After a comprehensive overhaul, the first notable improvement was the network's reliability. The frequent outages that once plagued the company's global operations became a thing of the past. With robust failover systems and load balancing, the network could now handle unexpected traffic spikes and hardware failures without breaking a sweat. Performance and uptime also saw dramatic enhancements. Optimized configurations and upgraded hardware meant that data flowed faster and more efficiently, reducing bottlenecks that had previously slowed operations. This led to a significant boost in overall productivity. Employees could now access resources and communicate seamlessly, irrespective of their global locations. Moreover, the company experienced reduced downtime, which translated into cost savings and minimized productivity losses. Enhanced customer satisfaction was a natural outcome, as clients enjoyed more reliable and efficient services. The outcome? A robust network that supports global operations and drives customer satisfaction. When a data breach strikes a financial firm, how should they respond to mitigate damage and restore trust? Imagine a bustling financial services firm entrusted with safeguarding sensitive customer information. Suddenly they're hit by a cyber attack, a sophisticated scheme that exploits vulnerabilities in their network infrastructure and security controls. The result? A severe data breach compromising vital customer data. This incident not only resulted in hefty regulatory fines but also inflicted reputational damage and a significant loss of customer trust. In the wake of the breach, it became clear that a reactive stance to cybersecurity was no longer sufficient. The firm needed a proactive, robust approach to manage and mitigate future cyber threats. Thus, they embarked on implementing a comprehensive cybersecurity management program. First on the agenda was conducting regular vulnerability assessments and penetration testing. These are crucial for identifying and addressing security weaknesses before they can be exploited. By understanding where their defenses were lacking, the firm could better fortify their systems against potential attacks. Next, the firm bolstered their defenses with cutting-edge technology. They deployed next-generation firewalls and endpoint detection and response (EDR) systems. These technologies are designed to detect, isolate, and neutralize threats at an early stage, providing a more dynamic and effective approach to cybersecurity. Aware that technology alone is not a panacea, the firm also prioritized human elements of security. They rolled out extensive employee training programs focused on cybersecurity awareness and best practices. After all, the most sophisticated security systems can be undone by a single act of human error. Additionally, the firm established robust incident response protocols. These protocols ensured that they could respond swiftly and effectively to any security incidents, minimizing damage and accelerating recovery times. From detection and containment to eradication and recovery, each phase was meticulously planned and rehearsed. Strengthening cybersecurity measures is not just about defense, it's about building resilience and trust. By transforming their cybersecurity approach, the financial firm not only enhanced their ability to defend against cyber threats, but also took significant steps toward restoring and maintaining the trust of their customers, proving that in the digital age, a strong cybersecurity posture is indispensable. What are the tangible benefits of a fortified cybersecurity posture? In the wake of a severe data breach, a financial services firm found itself grappling with lost customer trust and significant reputational damage. The response? A sweeping overhaul of their cybersecurity measures. By implementing rigorous vulnerability assessments and penetration testing, the firm dramatically reduced the risk of future breaches. These actions, coupled with comprehensive employee training and the deployment of cutting-edge technologies like next-generation firewalls and endpoint detection and response systems, fortified the company's defenses. Moreover, the firm established robust incident response protocols. These protocols enabled rapid detection, containment, and mitigation of any security incidents, minimizing potential damages and ensuring compliance with stringent regulatory standards. This proactive approach not only restored customer confidence but also shielded the company from further financial penalties and losses. The strategic investment in enhanced cybersecurity measures has not just been a defensive move, it's a competitive edge in the cutthroat financial services industry, ensuring the firm remains a trusted entity. Enhanced security measures have proven their worth, safeguarding the firm's future. How does a tech company navigate the complexities of moving to the cloud? Consider a medium-sized technology company that recognized the necessity for scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency in their IT operations. The decision was made: migrate their entire IT infrastructure to the cloud. But this transition was far from straightforward. The company faced the daunting task of moving a diverse set of applications, extensive data, and critical services across multiple cloud providers. The challenges were multifaceted. First, there was the issue of compatibility. Not all applications and services were immediately suited to a cloud environment. Some required significant modifications to ensure they could operate efficiently in the new setting. Then there was the data, vast amounts of it. Ensuring data integrity and security during the transfer was paramount. The risk of data loss or breaches could not be overlooked. Strategic planning was crucial. The company invested in meticulous project management to oversee the migration process. This included selecting the right cloud providers, planning the migration phases, and setting clear timelines. They also conducted rigorous testing phases to validate the performance and security of their applications and data in the cloud environment. Execution was equally critical. The company leveraged cutting-edge tools and technologies for data migration and relied on cloud specialists to ensure a smooth transition. This migration was not just a change of platform, it was a transformation of the company's operational paradigm. What can other businesses learn from these case studies in network management and cybersecurity? In the dynamic landscape of digital technology, the case studies we explored underscore the critical importance of proactive network management, robust cybersecurity practices, and strategic cloud migration. Each case history, from multinational corporations to medium-sized tech firms, illustrates a fundamental truth. The health of an organization's network infrastructure is pivotal to its success. Firstly, the enterprise network optimization case reveals that regular network audits and updates are not just beneficial, they are necessary for sustaining business continuity and customer satisfaction. Upgrading outdated infrastructure, optimizing configurations, and implementing redundancy measures like failover systems and load balancing can dramatically improve network reliability and performance. Secondly, the cybersecurity incident at the financial services firm highlights the devastating impact of security breaches. This case teaches us that continuous improvement of cybersecurity defenses is crucial. Regular vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, and employee training can fortify a company's defenses, significantly reducing the risk of future breaches. Lastly, the cloud network migration story demonstrates that while moving to the cloud offers scalability and cost efficiency, it requires meticulous planning and execution. The transition involves a thorough understanding of the cloud environment and a strategic approach to migrating applications and data. These narratives collectively emphasize that whether it's through enhancing network infrastructure, fortifying cybersecurity measures, or carefully planning cloud migration, proactive and strategic IT management is integral. Every business, regardless of size or sector, can benefit from these insights to enhance their network and security strategies, ensuring they are prepared for the challenges of the digital age.